Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I will tell you how can you take an input of a number and change it into its opposite sign in Python. So first you have to take the input. So right here num equals to int input, enter the first number. Now what you have to do is you have to write here algorithm of changing the sign of the entered number. So if the entered number is positive, it will turn into negative, and if the entered number is negative, it will turn into positive. So I will declare a variable here, opposite equals to num into -1, and then print the value of opposite. Let's run the program. So I will write here the number 12. So you can see here the opposite number is -12, and now I will run this program again. Now I will write here -12. So you can see the output is 12. So it is turning the negative number to positive and the positive number to negative. That's all about it. Thank you.